Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Claude AI, Google Gemini or OpenAI ChatGPT with any WordPress website. There is a new built-in AI connectors feature available in the WordPress 7.0 and more. So if you want to use AI on your WordPress website, you need to update your WordPress to 7.0 or more. So I'm going to show you how you can use the AI connector in any WordPress website. So here I have a demo WordPress website, and on this demo website I have the WordPress version 7.0. In the left hand panel you will see settings, and under settings you will see a new option, connectors. Let's click on connectors and you will be on the dashboard of the connectors. First you will need to install the AI plugin. So I'm going to install this plugin. Click on install. The plugin is installed. If I go to plugins, you will see a new plugin is there, AI. And if I go to view details, this is the plugin. This plugin has been published by WordPress.org. Alright, so let's go back to settings and go back to connectors. Now let's say I want to connect OpenAI ChatGPT. So I'm going to click on install. And now it is asking me to enter the OpenAI API key. Here you will see a small link. If you click on it, it will go to the OpenAI API keys platform where you can create a new API key and use that key. I have already created one API key and that key is used here. So the OpenAI is now connected with this WordPress website. So all you need to do is create an API key and enter the API key here, and it is going to connect your website with ChatGPT. Now let's say you also want to connect Claude, then you can install the Claude. And again, it will ask you to enter the API key for the Claude. If you click on this link, it will go to the Claude platform where you can create a new API key. You need to log into your Claude account and generate the API key and enter the API key here. Let's close it. Same thing for the Google Gemini. Click on install and it will ask you to enter the API key. If you click on this link, it will go to aistudio.google.com where you can create a new API key and use that API key to connect your WordPress website to Google Gemini. Here you will see an option to create API key. You can name your API key, let's say WordPress. Click on create a key. Right, I have got the API key. Copy the API key. Let's go back, enter the API key here and click on save. And now the Google Gemini is also connected to the WordPress website. So now we have the Google Gemini and ChatGPT connected with this website. If I go back to plugins, you will see that we have more plugins installed. This is AI provider for Anthropic, AI provider for Google, and AI provider for OpenAI. So we have installed 3 more plugins, and all these plugins are developed by WordPress AI team. All right, now let's go to settings, and under settings you will see new option here, AI. Click on it. First, you will need to enable the AI from here. So I'm going to enable AI, and these are the AI features and experiments that you can use on your WordPress website. The first option is image generation and editing. Generate and edit images using AI. I have it enabled. Then we have some editor experiments, AI powered experiments for block editor. These are the experiments for the block editor. Content classification, AI powered suggestions for post tags and categories based on the content analysis. Right, so that is enabled. If you want, you can disable any one of these options. Then we have content resizing, shorten, expand or rephrase the selected block content. Excerpt generation, it is going to generate some excerpt. Alt text generation, generate accessible alternative text for the images using AI. Meta description generation, generate meta description suggestions and integrate those with various SEO plugins. So if you have SEO plugins on your website, then you can create meta description using the AI feature. Editorial notes, it is going to create editorial notes, editorial updates, content summarization, summarize long form content into digestible overviews, require an AI connector that includes support for text generation models. Then we have title generation. It is going to generate the title based on the content that you have on any page. So I have enabled all these editor experiments. Then we have admin experiments. Abilities Explorer, which is enabled. If you want, you can disable it. Then we have connector approval, require administrator approval before plugins or themes can use AI connectors configured on this site. So that means if the plugin or theme needs to use the AI, so they will need approval before they can use these AI connectors. That one is enabled. AI request logging and comment moderation, that is also enabled. If you want, you can disable all or you can enable all. So basically I have enabled all these features, and now we are going to try it on a blog post. So let's go to post, and I have one post here. Let's go to edit. This is a demo post and the title shows test. We are going to change it later. Here I have an article and I'm going to use this article on this blog post, and let's see what happens. It's a big article about the Go High Level surveys, how you can use surveys on any website using Go High Level. Alright, so I'm going to copy this article and I'm going to use this on the blog post. Go to the content area and let's paste the article. Alright, so we have an article here. Let's go to the title and let's try to regenerate the title for this article using AI. So let's click on regenerate. We have got an error here, request authentication interface instance not set. All right, let's go back to dashboard. Let's refresh the dashboard. And here you will see one message. One plugin or theme is requesting access to an AI connector. So let's click on review request. Let's click on approve. All right, and OpenAI, approve it. All right, so I'm going to approve all of them. All right, we have WooCommerce on this website, so I'm going to approve the WooCommerce plugin also. All right, so let's go to the title again and let's click on regenerate. All right, and here you will see a new title suggestion based on the content that you have on this blog post. So I'm going to use this title. Let's click on insert, and this is going to be the new title for this blog post. So the AI has generated a new title for this blog post based on the content that we have on this post. Right, in the right hand side you will see different options. You can generate featured image. You can also generate excerpt. If I click on generate excerpt, it is going to generate the excerpt for this article. You will see this excerpt now, a complete guide to the Go High Level survey builder. So this excerpt is based on the content that we have. Here you will see generate editorial notes. It is going to generate the editorial notes using AI. Generate summary, it can generate the summary. And at the top we have generate featured image. Let's try this one, generate featured image.
Subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel for easy tutorials on AI tools, AI agents, WordPress, web design, automation, Elementor, WooCommerce, and more. Press the bell icon and stay updated with every new video.
Alright, so we have got an error here. The response is not a JSON response. Let's close it. Let's try to add the image inside the blog post. Let's go down and let's add a new block here, image. And here you will see an option, generate image. Click on generate image and describe the image. And I'm going to add some more content here and click on generate. Let's see if it can generate the image based on the content. All right, so we have got the same error again. So it is not generating the image. So I'm going to close it. Maybe there is something blocking on my side, or the plugin is not able to generate the image. This is a new AI feature in WordPress, and I think there will be some updates in future and the issue will be fixed soon. All right, so let's go back, and these are the features that we tried using on a blog post. We tried using image generation, that failed. Other than that, we were able to generate the excerpt. We were able to generate the title using AI. So if you want to use AI features on your WordPress website, you can connect Claude AI, Google Gemini, or OpenAI ChatGPT to your WordPress website using AI connector feature. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.